Clark, and I want to briefly introduce to you the third Sustainability Now virtual event, which will take place in December 2009. Now, on this occasion, we've decided to coincide this year's virtual event with the Copenhagen Climate Change Conference, the massive live event which will take place in December and will be an opportunity for governments to agree future targets for reducing carbon emissions over the coming decades. So what we want to create is a focal point for Sustainability Now for discussions around major environmental issues, and then drilling down to specific ones that are relevant to the construction and architecture sectors. Planning for Sustainability Now, we've identified 4 key themes for the event. The first of which is refurbishment. Now, this remains the biggest challenge for the industry right now, and that's to find actual technical solutions to reducing the impact of existing buildings, but also cost-effective solutions as well. The second theme is passive house. Now, this is a design that's originated from the continent, is now being imported into the UK. Lots of interest, lots of activity in terms of finding ways that that can be used for different building types, and we'll want to discuss that and see just how effective passive house can be. The third main theme is data and embodied energy. Data in the sense of how buildings are actually performing right now, an opportunity for people to share content around the actual performance of buildings, which we feel is very important. And embodied energy, lots of research being done in the industry about how buildings perform, their actual footprints from the product through to the use of the building. So we'll want to explore some of those types of issues. The fourth and final theme will be green entrepreneurism, i.e., is this a really good opportunity for people in the industry with experience to actually start their own businesses and for them to focus them specifically on green issues and solutions. The event will be taking place on the 8th and 9th of December. For more links in terms of finding information about the event, see the bottom of your screen now. It only leaves me to encourage you to get involved as much as possible in sharing your experiences about making sustainability real. Virtual events are only as good as the people that actually take part in them, so the more you can share about your experiences about sustainability, the better. I look forward to seeing you at Sustainability Now in December.